What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So I know y'all seen that thumbnail, and I know y'all read that title. Y'all already know how I'm coming today. So I wanted to give y'all a quick tutorial on how to add a green screen in your YouTube videos using Capcut. So I'm going to show y'all how to do that really quick. The video is not going to be that long, so let's get straight into the video. And before I get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And last but not least, let me know if you like the video. Let me know if it's any other things that you want me to do on this platform, and I'll go ahead and do it for y'all. But yeah, let's get straight into the video, y'all. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get a green screen. So you can do this two ways. You can either go on to Google Chrome. You can simply go ahead and type in transparent. Well, it don't have to be transparent, so forget that part. Just type in green screen, and then you'll just go to images, and then you'll just find a green screen that you're actually looking for. So you can pretty much find either one of these and just save it. So I like to try to get just a basic one. So you can go to background and then just choose from one of these. So like this one is not bad. So you just hold on it and just put save image. And since I already have a green screen saved in my phone, I won't save this again. But this is one way that you can get the green screen. And then you can also go to PixArt. And then once you get into PixArt, what you can do is you can just go right here to the top to the search, and you can type in green screen, and so it'll give you all these different green screens that you can use. And you just want to make sure you get a plain one like this. You could just hold it, or you could just hit the lines and save it. So once you get the green screen that you want to use, then we can go ahead and go straight into CapCut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into CapCut now here. And then you want to make sure whatever video that you're working on, just go ahead and import a video that you're going to want to add the green screen in. So for instance, I'm going to use this as an example. This is just like a relaxation video that I was doing for somebody, and then also for myself. So I love videos like this, but I'm gonna be using this as an example today. So what we're gonna do is once you import the video that you want to use like this, you want to go ahead to the bottom and you want to hit overlay. So we're gonna add overlay, and we're going to add that green screen that we have. So I'm going to use this one as an example. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit add. And then you just want to size it up as big as you can here. And then once you size it up and level it up to where you want it to be, or how long you want it to be, then you just want to you want to tap on it again. And we're going to scroll all the way over till we see Chrome key. We're going to hit the Chrome picker, and we're going to go ahead and, hold on, give me 1 second. We're going to hit Chrome key. We're going to take it to the green, and then we're going to hit intensity, and we're going to turn it up so that way it'll take away that green screen. And then once you play it, it'll be just like that without the green screen behind it. So this is one way that you can do it. And then if you don't want to use that one, you can also go back to Google, or the best thing that I would do is go to YouTube, and I would simply just type in green screen. Let's see, green screen subscribe button. So you can hit green screen subscribe button. You can go ahead and actually video record the green screen. So I will use video record to make sure you record the green screens on there. Once you do that, you can go ahead and save it to your camera roll. Have one saved. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my photos again here. Let me go back into CapCut first. And then I'm going to hit add overlay. And then I'm going to add the one that I found here. So this is one that I found. I'm going to add it. I'm going to size it up again here. I'm going to scroll all the way over until I see chrome key. And then I'm going to take it to the green. And then I'm just going to hit intensity again. And then I'm going to lighten it up. And then I'll just hit the check mark to make sure I'm done. And then this is how it looks. And I'll show y'all again. So that's how it'll look, y'all. Really simple and easy. And then, like I said, you can also get more subscribe buttons and stuff from YouTube. And if you don't want to do it that way, you can simply just make your own using Fonto. If y'all want to see a video on how to make your own green screen, just comment that down below in the comment section, and I'll show y'all how to make your own green screen. So that way you can make like icons on there and stuff of that nature, just to make it more popping and all that. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all this quick video on how to use Capcut and the green screen inside of Capcut. I had a lot of people asking me, like, how do you get the green screen to actually show without the green background on there? So I just wanted to go ahead and give y'all the tea. So yeah, if you like this video, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Hey.